really cold outside?
No.
Yes and no. I thought it was a bit cold too, so I understand. Well, welcome into the... It's not really warm here. Is it colder here than outside?
Yeah.
It's quite cold. If
chilly.
you felt my hands, you would have hated it. But yes, welcome inside at least. Thank you for being here. This will be the last VIP sound check of the year. And also, tonight is the last concert of the year. So it means a lot to me that you're here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And
It
I
means a lot to me.
have your notebook. It's started in Mexico.
Really?
It's been to Mexico shows and Colombia and all the US shows.
Oh my God,
So it's
that's
ready.
so good.
You have to take it back now because I don't know if I'll see
I'll take
you.
it back to Europe and I'll bring it to Asia.
Oh, great. It doesn't have much room left in it.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
But it's been really wonderful. So people are so amazing, and I kind of was tempted to like take a picture and post it, but I didn't want to do that.
Oh, I'm excited. Isn't it so fun? I love it.
Thanks. But yes, this is the last gig of the year. It's been such a beautiful journey, and we are so excited to go home, and also sad that it's over. But yes, thank you to everyone who's been to many of the shows, and thank you that you're here today. It makes me really happy, so thanks. And me and Frederick, we thought, like usual, that we'll play for you 2 songs that we won't be doing tonight.
Maybe after
Because that feels kind of gifty and nifty. So we are going to start by doing Potion for Love, because that's also nice to warm up the soul a bit with. Because we're not going to do that tonight. We aren't. Yeah, and to me it feels kind of like wintry. Can we sit on the stage, Fredrik? Would you mind? Okay, I have to put my ears in. I always, every time my team is like, or Nick is like, oh, you have to go on in 10 minutes. I'm like, yeah, I'm ready. And then in 10 minutes, I'm still just doing, I'm so bad at time management and like being ready. It's horrible. So I'm always a bit late, and now I'm not even ready. I'm going to put on my ears. But you can think about,
Other songs, whatever we want.
Just think about something. You're wonderful. Thank you. And I'm really... What? Yes! Think about that for a second. It's very interesting. And I'm actually... I'm listening to a wonderful audio book about quantum physics. And it ruins your head. It's also so nice. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram because it's told in a poetic way. It explains the mystery and answers behind our universe with like the eager and beauty of if a child would tell it, which is a really nice way. Anyways, that's not the point. But we are gonna do Potion for Love, as I just said.
And I wrote this song a while ago when I wrote This Is for Love. And I wanted this to be the B-side of Exist for Love, because if I wrote a song for people in love, I wanted to write a song for people falling out of love. Because that can be a very painful thing too, because you can't control it, even though you wish you could choose who you love in this world. You could love someone back. And I guess this is about that. The departures we have, the people we grow closest to. When I lay in your a stranger or a friend, I will give you a kiss from the past. I will send you away, hoping you'll be okay, with a piece of your heart living in mine. But I don't feel love anymore, and heaven hears when you walk out of the door. There's forgetting why we fell in I don't feel anymore, and how it hurts when you walk out of the door. And forgetting why we fell
Wow, that was so good. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Oh, that's nice. We're all open. And it's it's always very intense, isn't it? Playing so early compared to like 9 o'clock, because it feels like you're opening the gates so early. It's kind of nice. It almost makes me better later. I feel like these small VIP things feel like they're preparing me for what I have to do tonight. So it's very nice from you actually. I'm really appreciating it, even though they take away my nap time. But it kind of does something else, like it revives you in a different way. And you've been with me every day. Thank you, Fredrik. Give Fredrik some love. And I feel so lucky that you're here with me on my journey, our journey. It's incredible. And now we will sing something that is going to feel a bit good, I think. It's a song that has a lot of life. And there is a line in it with the song, belong to us all, the God and the sheep of the girl who walks this world. But of course, I do mean girls, boys, men, women, like all of us, but girl rhymes with world. That's why it had to be girl. But I do mean everyone, just so you're really sure of it. And this song I wrote a long time ago, in a dream. Everything was different then. I was so different then, and it's so nice to sing it sometimes, because it reminds me of some really nice parts of me that were really alive in me back then. And we all need to be reminded somehow, sometimes, of these small parts of ourselves that we forget sometimes. like a restless in the leaves coming down. The world is a hole, and we all seem to fall down there. And the universe is growing tall, and we are caving into dreams of this space. Unfolding our arms cannot do any harm. Violent contractions. And if there is a God, would we even know his name? And if there is a God, I think he would shake his head and turn away. So belong to us all, be God in the shape of a girl who walks this world. And I beg to be drained from the pain I've soaked myself in, so I can say, okay, more than okay, for a while, oh, just for a while. Oh, infections of a different kind. The world has been attacked by our pain. But if I am the world, then why would I hurt? Oh, that is living. And if there is a God, would he then believe in us? If there is a God, I don't think he can hear all of us. I belong to a soul, being God in the shape of a girl who walks this world. And I beg to be drained from the pain I have soaked myself in, so I can stay okay and more than okay for a while. For a while, oh, just for a
Ha ha ha!
felt really different than the other ones, didn't it? There was something really nice about what it is that you're giving us right now through your windows to the soul. I really feel it. It's making me really excited about tonight. It's like you know exactly what we need to do it again, the best we've ever done tonight. And I promise you, we're gonna have so much fun. I can't wait to just dive into just the essence of being human together with you tonight. Oh, you have made me now really looking forward to it. I was actually quite in a bad mood earlier today. Secretly, inside, I was like feeling sad for some reason. Then I don't anymore. I really don't. It's so nice. Thank you for giving that to me. And yeah, you are so sweet. I'm really grateful. And soon I have to leave the stage because we have to open the doors for the people who are freezing, or not freezing, outside. But yeah, just thank you for being here. Oh.
Thank you.
Aurora. I love this color. Yes, I love this color. Oh, it's fucking amazing. It's the color of your album. Yes, I know. Thank you. You have something as well. I once fell off stage trying to get a gift. So I'm really scared. I'm like, oh, but yeah. Aurora, can you sign with us? I hate the earrings. What's your name? Sophia. Sophia. Sophia has birthday. Do you want to sing with?
Yeah.
Would you start?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
I got a box backstage
Yeah.
and a bag with some gifts and things. So I
Aurora?
have a lot of things that I have to put in my backstage. Is that from you guys? Yeah. Okay, I got it. So don't have no fear.
Aurora, this is an apple with a wish inside, okay? It's very important.
Yeah.
And this comes with it as well.
Oh my god.
There's a scroll inside if you open. It's my wish. I love you.
She wanted to give it to you in Bergen, but she
It's
didn't
been,
get a chance.
it's been many years. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you. Oh, that's incredibly sweet.
Thank you for giving me hope. You make me excited to grow up, which is something that's so weird, but I thank you. You give me so much hope for the world, and I want to be like you when I grow up. And I just thank you.
But if you stay yourself, you will be like me. Because that's all we need to do. And to grow up is so fun, and to grow old is going to be so fun. We're going to be old and wrinkly and fabulous, and wear funny colors and hats and just laugh at the young people. It's going to be amazing.
I'm so excited to be an old lady.
I know, same. I'm already kind of old. I have old lady shoes.
Aurora. I have a bracelet for you. Sorry, I'm not.
Oh, I'll put it on my hand. Thank you, darling. Oh, thank you all for these gifts, guys. This is super sweet. Is that for me? Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's a zine, and it's from a person who wants to be like you, even though they're older than you, and has lots of kids. And thank your mother from me.
Oh, I will.
Thank
Oh,
you
I
for
miss her
being
so much. I'm seeing her in 2 days.
Woo!
Okay, thank you then.
Someone just pass this forward. There's another one. Someone pass
Thank you so much.
I will see you tonight. It's gonna be so fun.
We love you.